My husband filed for my two kids. They were approved. The I-130 were approved, but for some reason, he's holding on to whatever he got from the NVC, and I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else can I do.
There's nothing
I
you
don't
can
know.
do. I mean, he's the petitioner, so you
Yes, he
can't
is.
force anybody to do it. What's going on with you and your husband? Obviously, it's an issue in your relationship, which is why he's not completing your children's cases. So he's trying to
Yes,
hurt you.
he's trying to hurt me. Yes, he's
Well,
trying to hurt me.
and really, he's actually hurting children, hurting mother too, but he's really hurting children. What's going on with you and your husband? Why is he trying to hurt you so much?
Well, I've been with him for 3 years, but marriages break down.
Okay.
He's somebody that follows stories from you meet him day one. If you just want to have an argument today, he builds it back everything from all the way back.
Lloyd,
He's just that kind of person.
Do you have a green card?
Yes, I do. But
Okay.
I filed my I-175, so I have it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So with a green card, you can file for your children, even removing your
Yes, I
conditions.
know.
File the I-130 for them.
Okay, yes, I will.
And then you may want to consider whether it's worthwhile to stay in this relationship if your husband's trying to hurt you this much. You know, maybe you want to consider getting a divorce and then doing the I-751 based on a waiver. You don't have to stay in an unhappy marriage.
It's already in, and I got 48 months.
I understand that. You may very well get an interview. So I'm thinking you called about your children, and now I'm thinking about your case. You may not get an interview for 2 or 3 years from now. And if your husband is not willing to sponsor your children, it's likely he's not willing to show up on an interview. It's likely that if you get an interview and you're doing it based on a bona fide marriage, you would be denied. Your husband's not going to help. So in these situations, you think in advance. Don't wait till the end. You got to think 3 steps ahead. So you get a divorce. Okay. If he's not willing to help you, he doesn't love you, there's no reason to stay in an unhappy marriage just to keep a green card, which actually you're staying in an unhappy marriage to try to keep a green card. It's going to screw you over. My advice would be get a divorce and move on with your life. And when you get a divorce, you can convert your immigration case to a waiver case. Take your husband off the case. He has no control over it anymore. And then he doesn't have to show up to an interview. He's not required to show up to an interview. You go to the interview alone. So whether he shows up or not, you're going to get through. And how you get through is you have to prove 2 things. 1, you're divorced. And 2, back in the day, not today, back in the day, me and my husband lived together.
Yes, I still live here.
That would be a smarter move. All right. And if you want some help, then just hold on 1 second, and maybe we want to talk off the air. Okay. And also file for your children. Put in the I-130. But you can't force anybody to do something they don't want to do. All right.
Thank you.